It does have some power, guys.
It features a typical low slung profile with a longer wheelbase as compared to the other Java motorcycles.
It really makes you feel special when you're riding this motorcycle. Wow.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Prashurmena Jain. You are watching Automania. Guys, today I am at SM Automobiles Java showroom near Panagar, Durgapur. I am here to review the all new Java Perak. So let's get started with the cinematics of this bobber first. Back in 2018, Classic Legends reincarnated the Java brand in India with the Java Classic, which is a proper replica of the original, and the 42, which is the slightly modern take to the later. Apart from these two, the manufacturer also had a trick up in its sleeve in form of its gorgeously unique looking motorcycle called the Perak, and with it Java has created a niche into the sub 350cc segment, a niche that is likely to be remain untouched for the next few years at least. So let's kick off with the design. Now the Perak is styled like a bobber. One might think that it is based on the standard Java Classic. The Perak is a historic brand for Java, and the name has been resurrected by the company for the factory custom bobber. The motorcycle was showcased for the first time during the launch of the brand, and after a year it has been launched officially in the country. Being a factory custom style bobber, the Perak is one gorgeous looking motorcycle. It features a typical low slung profile with a longer wheelbase as compared to the other Java motorcycles. It follows a blacked out theme and with the parts like pillion seat and pillion footrest stripped off to reduce weight for better performance. But instead, Java has gone a step further and built the Perak on a brand new frame and a new swing arm, and the subframe and flat seat on the Classic is removed for a tan brown single seat that is fixed to the main frame. It neatly integrates a round tail lamp while the turn indicators are fitted onto the large rear fenders. Adding to the Perak dark themed custom built look, the matte black finish and the contrasting gold accent and pinstripes looks magnificent. Then there are the slash cut exhaust on either side of the engine, and a bar and mirrors, which again adds to the credibility of the bobber styling of this motorcycle. As for quality, the Java Perak is really well put together for the most part. In terms of equipment, the Perak comes with conventional halogen lamp all around except for the tail lamp, which is LED. The instrument cluster is a circular unit with a small digital unit for the odometer, which has been lifted from the Java standard. The motorcycle rides on telescopic forks up front and a monoshock, which is mounted very smartly under the seat at the rear. Braking is done by disc up front and also at the rear, supported by dual channel ABS. As for the powertrain, the Perak gets a slightly larger 334cc engine as compared to the other Java standard and the 42 models. It continues to be a single cylinder unit with liquid cooling and is capable of churning out 30 horsepower and 31 Newton meters of max torque in terms of power and torque output respectively. The transmission duties are handled by a 6-speed gearbox, which is really very smooth. Java Perak is a cruiser motorcycle and is available at a price of 2.48 lakhs approximately, depending upon what city you belong to. It is available in one variant and single color. The Perak weighs around 175 kgs and has a fuel tank capacity of 14 liters. and the fuel economy is around 30 kilometers to a liter. Talking about the tires, the front tires are 100 section ones and the rear tires are supported by 140 section rubber. If you are into touring or having a pillion to ride with, the Java Perak wouldn't be the wisest choice. And with barely any storage space, it isn't the most practical motorcycle either. But if you want a motorcycle that guarantees you that extra attention on the road and tugs your heartstring every time you look at it, there is none like Java Perak. And if you are interested in any kind of Java motorcycles, do contact Java Panagar. SM Automobiles, they provide some great Java motorcycles. The details are given in the description box down below. Now let's go on with the ride review.
Hello guys, so I have the Java Perak with me right now and I am going for the ride review. So let's get started. First impressions, the exhaust sound is similar to the Java 42, but the bike isn't. It is a mad bobber guys. It is a stylish bobber. Let's talk about things which are positive. That is the way this bike looks. This is proper bobber guys, proper bobber. Single seats, stylish. And it does look good. Now coming to the motorcycle, it is 100% retro. It looks 100% retro. The way the tank is designed, the matte finish is just awesome. Like it looks like a lot of tiring work has been gone for this motorcycle. The golden stripe, the way the Perak is written over here, and the built-in finish is nice. The main thing is the light weight of the vehicle. It is very light, 175 kgs for a 334cc motorcycle, producing a power of around 30 horsepower, and peak torque will be around 33 Newton meters. Well, that's way almost 10 more than the competition, which is a Royal Enfield and the Meteor, the Classic, the CB350 from the Honda, the Highness, which is the Highness. Well, it is 10 horsepower more and 20 kgs lighter, which means lighter is faster, and with more of the horsepower, it definitely feels a lot faster than the competition. Let's push a bit. It does have some power guys. The brake feels nice. The brakes feels nice. The handlebar is good, wide, and it really makes you feel special when you are riding this motorcycle. Wow, nice push guys, nice push, around 4000 rpm. When I gave more throttle, I got really nice push from this motorcycle. Well, I would say torque is really not a problem in this bike. You have ample of it. It's the way you ride, it's the way you drive this motorcycle guys, and for me it's just perfect. But if you are a single person, if you don't have a girlfriend, or if you're not married, or you prefer to go alone, otherwise guys, it will be a problem because it is strictly a single seater. Yes, there are options by which you can also make this a double seater, but that doesn't, I'm not sure that is good enough, because this bike is a bobber and bobbers are made to be single seaters. I'll just take a U-turn from here and go back to the place I came. I thank Java Panagar for giving me this motorcycle for test rides and for reviewing. If you are interested in any kind of Java offering, you can visit here. The details are given in the description box down below guys, and do inform them you are Automania subscriber. You would definitely get really good discount, and they would do the best which is possible from their side. This is a promise from Automania guys. So Java enthusiast and Perak enthusiast, if you are in Durgapur or Panagar region, Panagar or Rajbath region, to visit the Java showroom in Panagar near Darjeeling Moor, and it's my promise you would get a great deal out of it. Come to the motorcycle is dead stable. Just look at it. Careful, 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 careful. The motorcycle is dead stable. See, I'm in top gear right now and no problems at all. It is pulling really nicely. I said torque is not a problem in this motorcycle. This bike has a charm on its own, guys. This mirror, the bar end mirrors do looks classy, and there is no problem of viewing the traffic from behind. It's very clear. Let's push. Guys, RPM and gearing is really nice. It's kept on pushing and pushing. I didn't expect that from Perak. The moment I give the throttle, you get a whoosh, whooping power. Yes. So I will go through the bump without scraping. Done and done. No scrapings at all. I said you guys, it's not what you're riding, it is how you're riding. The companies are designing the motorcycles based on the country, like this is a design for India, okay? So they won't design anything which is not suitable for Indian roads. So ground clearance is not the complaint from my side, it's how you're riding. Just change your riding style, everything will become a piece of cake for you. Overall verdict from my side, this motorcycle is really cool. It does look different. Single seater, bobber styling, the first in the segment in this country. As such, it had no competition with anyone. Yes, by engine size you can say there are competition, but by the way it looks, there is no bobber in the country right now in this price segment. So a big thumbs up from my side. If you are interested to get this motorcycle in Durgapur Panagar region, you can contact the Java Panagar. I'll give the details in the description box down below. Guys, let me know how did you like the review of the Java Perak, the legendary motorcycle. The way it looked is just fantastic, guys. And if you are interested in this motorcycle, you can contact SM Automobiles near Panagar. They provide some great motorcycles, Java motorcycles, guys. And if you are a subscriber to Automania, you would definitely get some handsome discount. So that's it for the ride review. Let me know how did you like the review of the Perak. By the way, let me show how this bike looks. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. That's Java Panagar. Just look at it, guys. It is a class apart, the way it's standing. I'm a big fan of this motorcycle. That's it for the ride review. Let me know how did you like the Java Perak ride review, and let's move on to the next segment. Guys, how is the exhaust note? And on that exhaust note, it's time to wrap up this episode of Automania. Let me know in the comment section down below how did you like the review of the Java Perak. And if you're interested in any kind of Java, do visit SM Automobiles Panagar. The description box, the details are given. And as I always say, wear helmets when you're riding, wear seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Prasur Banerjee. You're watching Automania. Signing off. Ta-da!